matagal na nga namin hinihintay din to. 7 years na rin kami this day. So yun, excited para sa bagong yugto ng aming buhay. Yan.
Ito po ay hindi po product ng accident. The word accident is not in the dictionary of God. This is the product of God's plan and God's grace.
Nagkakilala kasi kami ni Cab sa schoolmate kasi kami, pero ahead siya sa akin ng 1 year.
Meron kaming org na magkasama kami, tapos may separate org pa ako.
Kaya nagtatrain sa akin. So, after nung political party, nag-join siya ng organization ko. Tapos doon na lang continue yung namin, friendship.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Diyos dahil pinagtagpo niya tayong dalawa. At dinala kung nasan man tayo ngayon.
Our story might seem like any other, but to me, it's the only one that matters.
Mamahalin kita ng buo. Andito ako sa likod mo kung kailangan mo ng backup at pag-alalay. Nandito rin ako sa tabi mo kung kailangan mo ng kasangga sa buhay. I will support you in the way that I know sa mga pangarap mo at mga plano mo sa buhay.
We started as trainer and trainee back then. You were just Kuya Gab. I never imagined that the person I looked up to in our university party would be the man I'd one day call my husband.
Alam mo na pag kayo ni Jessica. Kaya
Tama na.
isang nagkarinig ka dito.
Ay, may mic pa.
Salamat sa lahat, Bebe Girls, for loving me for who I am, and I promise to love you for the rest of my life.
Sabi naisip ko kasi may dalawa akong ate, sorry, na stuck sila sa Dubai, gawa ng mga missile, di ba?
Do you take Gab to be your husband, to love him, to honor him, to support him, and to choose him faithfully in joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness for as long as you both shall live?
I do po.
Beya namin.
Nagkatingin, hindi alam ang gagawin. Nakukutan ano ang dapat kong sabihin. Nababaliw di mapigil. Ika'y sumasagi sa aking isip. Pag-ibig na ba talaga itong nadarama? Teka lang ba? Hindi na masyado. Nangungulilan na sa'yo bago pa makilala. Pag-ibig na ba talaga? Pag-ibig ba? Kaakit-akit nauulog sa'yo. Sa aking nalapit, tanggalan ang
Okay, una kay Renzo. Yan. Dirt. Okay, so yan. Christian? Gerald.
At sasabihin
Ayan.
Since then, we've seen it all. We've seen the brightest days and the darkest corners of our personalities, especially when we took that leap and moved to Singapore. I know you fight silent battles you try to carry alone, because you never want me to worry. You have proven yourself not just to me, but to my friends and to my family also. And in these moments of growth, I know without a doubt that you're the man I want to spend my lifetime with.
Mahal na mahal kita, Charlene Kate Baldosa Pineda, palagi.